Alright folks, well this is a shout out to Bill Laidlaw. Diddy, as you're a good friend of mine mate, I've known you a long time, and congratulations first off on your 2 months of not having a ciggy, and also mate, I've got to admit, your weight loss as well that you turned around and you've brought yourself down to what you wanted. You're looking fantastic mate. I hope everything's going alright for you. But getting to this, right, as I said to you mate, I was getting a couple of new tanks and that. Well, one of them is this little Zephyrus UD. It's got temperature control on it. It pairs up with my Smok 2 Cube that I also got, and also the Smok TV4. I've also got mate the Sense Heracles tank as well, and that's with just a normal Sigali 100. But I said that I'd give you some clouds so that you could sort of see. Well, this is the UD and it is running at basically 65 watts. These all different kinds of functions on this, of like basically if you want like 10% less power when you first initially fire it up for like the first couple of seconds you can, or 10% more, and so on and so on. I've just got it set to normal. Here it is. Now this is a real good cloud as well. What they say about this thing is because the coils are so big and the amount of cotton and that is in there as well, and also the way the juice well are designed, it makes it an ideal cloud chaser if that's what you're into. Now obviously I've also got nickel coils on it as well. I've also got the SCH by Danvella of goat in there, which is vanilla custard, which tastes absolutely fantastic. So well in Dan. Diddy, if you haven't got SCH yet, I'd advise you to get some mate. You are going to like it. As you can see mate, the cloud off this thing is decent. I have got the airflow open at maximum. It does really, at times when you put the airflow open, as you can hear, makes like sort of like a little bit of a whistling noise, but that's it on there. You know, you can basically close that over. Now the other one mate that is superb, especially if you're looking for a new tank, is the Heracles. As you can see mate, the absolute outstanding as well. There's like 3 different airflows that you can basically have on it as well. That's with it wide open. Really does produce good cloud. Now mate, what I have got as well, and while I'm off camera, is basically a Smok TV4. Now what that is, Bill, is it is 3 coils that come standard with it, which is pretty much amazing. It is that thing, it is bigger than anything, just so you can get a rough idea mate, because I know you've also got a sub-tank mini. Stand the 2 tanks together and you can see basically the Smok is at least a couple of mil bigger, but besides all of that, it is huge on the circumference as well mate. Now this has just got normal coils in. Now one of the best things about this Smok is that you can download profiles and also various different sort of coils and things like that. So you do it all with this little app, mate, and set nickel coils to it, and I'll choose normal. Well, the Smok has just got normal in, and it is running at 65 watts. Just say okay. Now that bit, mate, transfers everything over to this device, so that's pretty cool. Now this one that I've got IVC Technic in here, and I've also had Asian Spice, so it is actually a concoction, because I've ended up basically half fill and half fill again of the two, which makes it really an interesting vape. Also, always cool, never a dry hit, and on top of all of that, I have actually only got the airflow open, just a tag. Now I know you've got a Subtank Mini, mate, and I've got it on a little iStick 30, and I run 26 watts, and the juice that's in it is DRC Stella. If you haven't got any of that yet, mate, I also highly recommend you getting that as well. For such a little device, it really does produce a decent amount. That's strawberry flavoured and that as well, did he? So that's cool. Apart from that, mate, the other tank that I got is the Aspire Triton, and also, as you've seen, the Sense Heracles. But the Sense Heracles, mate, I've got the Triad Bribery in there, so if you haven't got that range either, mate, I'd say get that range. Now in this one is the Aspire Triton, and basically the coils weren't that good, so I ended up putting the Sense Heracles in there. But what I do also say is that I've got Devel, I've got another Danvella one in there, which is the Scoop, which is raspberries and vanilla ice cream. And again, as you can see, fantastic clouds off that one as well. But if you're buying a tank, I'd say go for either the Smok or the Zephyrus by UD. That's all. Thanks very much.